Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to hide your Telegram account from the people who already know your number. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy section, tap on Phone number. Under Who can see my phone number section, select Nobody. Under Who can find me by number section, select My contacts. Tap the right icon to save the changes. Now only those people who are saved in your phone contact list will be able to find your Telegram account. This is how you can hide your Telegram account from the people who already know your number. Thank you for watching.